Before we get started, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon. Hey people, welcome back. Let's talk about like operator. So suppose you want to match a particular pattern, then in that particular case, you can use like operator. For example, let's say if I want to know all the records where name is starting with A and after that it can have 0 or more number of characters, then I can just give here like where name like and I can just give a %. So please note, % means that it will match 0 or more number of characters. So if I execute, you see all these names are starting with A and after that it can have either 0 or more number of characters. And let's say if you want to start all the names which is starting with AL or let's say ALA, then I can just give ALA. You see here, it will give me all the records, that is at this moment it is having 2 records. Similarly, if I just select only this, and in the same way you can also find all the records which is ending with a particular value. For example, let's say I want to know records like this, that is it is ending with O. So I can just give here O, and this means that %O, that means before O it can have 0 or more number of characters. So if I execute this, now you see all these names are ending with O, right? In the same way, let's say if I just execute only this, and let's say I want to know all the records where name is containing, let's say 6 characters. So you see here we have Alberta, then we have Alaska and so on, right? Now let's say I want to know all the records which is starting with AL and after that it can have 4 characters. So overall it will be having 6 characters. So for that I can use underscore. So underscore will match only one character. So if I just give one underscore for one character, in the same way I have to give total of 4 underscore, and you see if I execute this, now I have 2 records where the length is 6 and it is starting with AL, right? So in this way you can use like operator.